Hello. We are at Universal. We're all vlogging, so there's gonna be 3 vlogs of this day, but oh well. We're here kind of later in the day. Amanda had class, so yeah, we're here. I'll insert like what he's wearing, but basically, yeah. Anyway, stand. Wow, handsome. Okay, so we're in. Yay. So we just checked the dogs in. They asked for like a description of the dogs and what they're wearing just so they're aware that they're in the park. And then also we got like, it's like a DOS at Disney, but it's called an accessibility service something. Yeah. Car? Oh! Car. But they give you this like little pass that like they write down the return times on it. Yeah. Okay. I will say they're really organized with service dogs here. I appreciate it. So anyway, that's cool. Bye. It's Hogsmeade! You live there, Box. Hogsmeade! Hogsmeade! Oh my god. Foxy? Oh my gosh.
And we went to Jurassic Park.
I want to go there. Well, I want to like make our round.
Is it the Leaky Cauldron?
The Leaky Cauldron. Squeeze. I'm literally gonna cry. Oh no, oh no. I know, I can see it. Oh no.
Oh no. There she is.
I feel like a giddy little girl. But I don't know. I'm so excited. But
hi guys.
hi. There's 3 of us.
Okay, sounds good. So since we have 3 service animals, we only have 1 kennel.
They can go in together.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, sounds good as long as you guys are okay.
Oh yeah, we're good with that. Thank you.
Sounds good. So perfect, excellent. Send you up to the 3rd floor to leave your lovely service animals in the kennel.
Okay.
And then you'll go.
Sirius, Azkaban.
Yeah, shove her in there.
Azkaban, go.
You've been to Azkaban and inside the castle.
Oh no. Sirius, go. Azkaban.
That's awesome.
Azkaban, get in. Nice. Sirius down. Sirius down.
He's gonna sit on her face. Noxus, you just do it.
Oh! Good job, you guys.
Good boys.
Okay.
Oh god! Oh no!
Thank you so much. Oh no!
Is it on you?
A butter beer?
Is it spicy?
No.
It is carbonated.
A little bit. I did it! I got my butter beer and I'm happy. Sirius is kind of acting a fool. but I don't know. Whatever. Come here. Feel. Ooh, under. Down. Now he's under. I got my butterbeer. Hey, wakey wakey, eggs and bakey. Do I need another wand? Probably not. Do I want another wand? Probably.
Oh, hi there. Oh, were you getting a bit jealous and you're like, I want some loving as well?
Oh my god!
What?
Next to just gave him a kiss. I want to do the Warner Brothers future. They have the Friends thing there.
Yeah. Maybe one day we could go. Not too bad, I don't think. No. That's a nice view though.
I'm gonna play Cardi B featuring Snoop Dogg.
I don't really trust him on the end. Wait. Okay. Wait. Back. Why is it wet? Oh, not your tail. Come. Come on. Under.
I would put him in a position that you can hold him.
Okay.
Like that's why I'm holding him like this, so I can hold him.
They're in.
She shot a show called Superstore on NBC.
Oh, I know that story. All right. No. What the hell is this?
Yes,
No.
I love this show. All 6 seasons of this show shot here, so in those 3 stages. Cloud9 was built there.
Alright, you're gonna go right.
The heck?
Hi.
Hi.
It's Ridley.
It's Ridley. Hi, Rid. Because she's not driving.
The movies that we're used to working on. People with one giant shot, this tram that's driving along through Skull Island. This ring represents where the screen.
Delight. One of the practical elements we will often add in is weather. Weather, it just doesn't look the same digitally. So we're going to often do it practically. So we're going to do a little practical. Oh, no, he's turning. Oh, no, he sees the diver. Okay, hopefully that diver is trained and knows what to do in this situation.
That's my worst nightmare.
I know it is.
The airplane that crashed site set was a perfect example of a set.
My name is Special Agent Luke Hobbs of the U.S. Diplomatic.
Okay, so we just got done with the studio tour, and now we're going down to the lower lot to go to Jurassic World and the Mummy, and there's something else down there.
Hello?
Hello? The dogs are very good. Yeah. I'm utilizing a mobility aid because my dog is not old enough yet.
Your mobility dog isn't a mobility dog yet.
He's not yet, no.
Your mobility dog isn't mobility enough.
Yeah, so I'm utilizing an aid, which is okay. And now we're gonna get onto a shoe-tone to get down to the lower lot so we don't have to walk the entire way and go down the escalator land. So, yeah, check in later. Hi, we're waiting for the twam still. I'm just putting Amanda.
Okay. Okay,
Mia's putting her hair up.
I'm Amanda.
It's hot.
She lost her bones.
She's out of spoons.
No, she's supposed to give you spoons. This is the potty spot on the lower lot. We finally got here.
Oh my god.
Activated by the animals here. Should we try?
Yeah.
We can't get too close, but I'll go about right here. Sierra?
Okay.
That clicker.
All right. Let's see. Now that's really great.
Yes.
She's really good right now.
Good boy.
Yeah, she's behaving right now.
Hi, Sierra.
Excellent, Sierra.
Oh.
Good job. Good job. Nice.
Oops, my cane.
So everybody's being rewarded. Sarah's being rewarded. The dogs are being rewarded. Now, one thing I'm not going to do is let Sarah play with the dogs, only because that probably would be a bad move on my part.
Hi. 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 We're on Jurassic. There we go. Oh yeah, somebody's waving. I don't appreciate this.
Hold all boats in safe zone.
Hi, Amanda. She said you don't get that wet.
So I grossly underestimated.
Good boy. This one you don't get wet on, right? Hi, handsome. Serious. Serious. Heel. Good boy. Yes.
Smelly, stinky.
Yeah. Heel at the place I want to go to.
Okay.
So. Heel. Serious, come heel. You're too far. Bless you. Heel. Serious. Now. Heel. Oh, look at Bumblebee. Heel now. Wait. Yes, good boy. Good job. Serious off. Wait.
On the escalators, please hold the handrail
Hi.
and attend children carefully. For their safety, children are not
Good boy, Knock.
Also, there is no
Hi.
smoking.
Serious.
As you step off.
This is one of the other potty areas. Wait, back. Serious, get back. Get back. That. There is. It's a little bit bigger than the other one. This is where the animal something is. Wait. Good thing we're going to get food after this. Searching for a sound you hadn't heard before. Okay, so we're at Secret Life of Pets. We had
Sorry. I'm just like
we had an issue because
access difficulty.
the entire time we've been putting the 3 dogs together because the crates here are like pretty big, and like it's been fine. And then we get here and we're like told otherwise.
I'm talking about this, so I don't have to talk about it.
And like we had to like get a manager.
She was the manager of that section.
Oh, she's a manager of like this section.
So I'm assuming that was like silly fun land.
Yeah.
Here.
So like we explained to them what we've been doing all day, and then she made a couple calls, and then she was like, okay, we'll just like that's fine. So I don't know. It was just like the first 2 like ladies we had encounters with. It just seemed like
the first girl was gonna let us do it.
Yeah, the first girl was gonna let us do it. The second girl, she was like, I don't know. She just seemed like nothing was ever gonna get past her. It's like Caleb San Bernardino, if you know what I'm talking about.
If you know, you know.
And so we got the manager. She said that was okay. And we looked up their policy because they said it was in their policy. So we looked up the policy and it literally says nothing about that. So I'll enter it here. Okay. But
I'm sorry.
Yeah, it's okay. Oh yeah, but look at that. That's cute.
Look at that. That's cute.
There's water on it. Oh my god! You look like Daddy. Oh, look at that! I look like Philo! I look like Philo!
Can we take one home?
You're so cute. Please.
Yeah, please.
Okay.
Yes. You attacked, but I got you home.
You guys are leaving already?
Dead.
Hello?
Of course, mine's the one that's standing.
Good boy, Siri boy. Good boy. Ball is life. That's my home. That's my home.
Is the hot train guy still
Hey
there?
everyone.
What?
This is my home. Is that the same guy?
No, but he has a beard.
Hello. Cool. So cute. They do. We also have peppermint toads.
What's life?
Every flavor jelly bean. Every flavor jelly bean. That's what Aspen is. She's an every flavor jelly bean. Look how cute this is.
I want to go up there.
It's like this angle just like really does not do him good, you know? So sorry.
I used to say.
Oh no, I'm getting her in trouble. Ready? Good boy. Oh, thank you. Okay, so we are headed out of the park. We're headed out of the park. We just stopped back in Wizarding World one more time. And then now we're gonna go get food on the city walk because
you said so I don't have to say it.
No.
Oh.
Because it's 6 p.m. and traffic can be
right now.
I hate you. Anyway.
Stopped at
It's called Wizarding World.